Hey again, guys, just wanted to make one more video. This is just an ice water filtration machine on your fridge. One thing that was happening is we were, putting the glass up to here, getting water out, but the water angle was kind of spurting to the side. So one thing you thought maybe the tube there was an issue with the tube here, but it's pretty held in place pretty good with the little plastic sleeve there. The actual issue can be sometimes is that you actually need to clean out get a better view here, clean out that valve there, or the opening. So sometimes things can build around that, and you can take a little bleach. You can put that on a Q-tip and actually go around the sides, get a different Q-tip, and then kind of go up in there and just clean that out. And of course, after you do that, you kind of let it flow and I waste at least a whole glass of water. It's just things you wouldn't think that you check very often, and I've seen a few of them that who knows if they've ever been checked, and you look and they're black and pink all around here and the water's hardly coming out. So just one thing to check, and go ahead and clean them out. I'd say probably at least once every 2 months or once a month, just check on it. But you can do that again with faucet covers as well, and definitely would if you're drinking from the faucet or using it daily. So all right, hope that helps.